Hello everyone. This is our first video on YouTube and today we are going to be doing the question 1 and 2 of exercise 10A of the D2. Our topic, as you all can see, is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem consists of this one equation through which we can solve nearly all the questions. The equation consists of h square equals b square plus p square, where h is the hypotenuse, meaning the angle opposite to the 90 degrees. B is the base, meaning this side, and P is the perpendicular, meaning the side adjacent to the 90 degrees. First of all, I'm going to solve question 1 of 10A to show you guys how you can solve a basic question of the Pythagoras theorem. So in the first question of 10A, they have given us to find the value of the unknown in each of the following right angle triangles. In the first question, in the first part, they have given us a triangle and they have given us three sides and they have given us the value of two sides only, and we have to find the value of the third side, which is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use this equation to find the value of unknown meaning a in this question. So first of all, I wrote the formula and now I'm going to put in the values to solve the question. So the values of h is a square equals base is 21, so I'm going to write 21 square plus the perpendicular is 20 centimeter, so I'm going to write this here. So basically I put the values in. Now I'm going to basically expand it and solve it now. So a square equals to 20. What is the square of 21 is wait, let me just quickly, I forgot. It is 441, so we write 441 plus 400, which is the square of 20. And now we're going to, first of all, we're going to add these both, which makes it roughly it makes it 841. So a square equals 841. Now we only got the value of a square, but we need to find the value of a. So to remove this square, we need to take the square root of 841, and that will be the value of a. So let us just take the square root on both sides, cut this, and now we're going to write this here. So let's just solve this. The square root of 841 is 29, so we got the value of a, which is 29, and you can even check it from the back of the book. And okay, so now we have the second question. In the second question, again we have a triangle with three sides and the value of only two sides has been given. Now if you look in this shape, the 90-degree angle has been given here, which means that b is again the hypotenuse, so we again have to find the value of h in this question. So now we're going to write the equation h square equals b square plus p square. We're going to put in the values. H is b square equals, now don't confuse this b with b. This b is basically the unknown of the hypotenuse, and this b refers to the base. So in this question we have a base of 12. All right, 12 square plus p is 35, so we're going to write 35 square. Now we're going to simply open it up. B square equals 12 square is 144 plus 35 square is 1225. Now we're going to add these both. B square equals 144 plus 1225 equals 1369. Now again, as I told you, we only got the value of b square, but we need to find the value of b. So to get the value of b, we need to take square roots on both sides, which means b square equals 1369. Let me just take a square root, and we have got the value of b, which is 36. Now we're going to move to question 2, because all the parts of question 1 were almost the exact same. In all of the parts you just had to find the hypotenuse, which I just showed you how you can find it out. So now we're going to move to question number 2, part A. So in this part we've been given three sides again, and this time instead of the hypotenuse, we have to find the perpendicular because the value of unknown is adjacent to the 90 degrees. So now we're going to put in our formula. H squared equals b squared plus p squared. And now we're going to put in the values, which is h is equal to 39. 39 squared equals base is 15. 15 squared plus a is perpendicular, so a squared. Now you guys must be wondering how we have to solve it after this part. So now we just have to shift 15 to the other part to make it an equation similar to this. So now we're going to take 15 to the other side, and now we're going to do 39 square minus, because 15 is going to the other side, so it will become minus 15 square equals a square. Now we're just going to solve it. 39 square is 1521 minus 15 square, which is 225, equals a square. Wait, let me just check it again if the square of 39 is 39. Yep, it's 1521, and now we're going to do 1521 minus 225, which is 1296. So we've got the value of a square, which is 1296. And as I told you, to find the value of a, we need to take square roots on both sides. So 1296 equals square root of, cut these both, and we get a as 36. It's pretty simple if you just kind of memorize the equation and you just know which value to put in which place. Now we're going to do the second part of question 2, and this will be the last part of question 2 for us, because just like question 1, all the parts of question 2 are same. So if you I just showed you how to do these two parts, then you can do it yourself as well. So now let's solve this one. Again, we have three sides. The value of two sides is given, and we need to find the value of b, which again is the perpendicular because it is adjacent to the 90 degrees. So we'll put in the equation. H squared equals b squared plus p squared. Now we'll put in the values, which is h is 19. 19 square equals the base is 14, so 14 squared plus perpendicular is b, so b squared. Just like in this question, to make the equation we have to take 14 to the other side, so 19 squared minus 14 squared equals b squared. Now let's just find the values of 19 squared. It is 361 minus I think 196. Yep, 196 equals b squared. Now we'll just subtract them, minus 196. So we get 165 equals b squared. Now we'll again take the square roots on both sides. 165 equals, so we get b as 12.85. b equals 12.85. Let me just check it from behind the book to make sure I haven't done it wrong. Yep, it's correct. It's 12.8, but you can also write 12.85. It doesn't matter. So now we're going to do the last question for today, which is question number 3. It says, in triangle ABC, AB equals 8 centimeters, BC equals 15 centimeter, and angle B equals 90 degrees. Find AC. So first of all, we're going to start by drawing a right angle triangle, and then we're going to label it. In any type of question like this, first of all, you need to see that which part of the triangle is equal to 90 degrees. For example, in this question, angle B equals 90 degrees, so we will have to make this part as B, which is 90 degrees. Now we need to label this as A because it's first, so you can do it like that. and then this part will ultimately become C. Now we'll put in the values. AB equals 8 centimeters and BC equals 15 centimeters. Find AC, which is this, so we label it as X. Now we'll just put in the equation. H square equals B square plus P square. Now the value of H, or the hypotenuse, is X, so we'll write it as X square equals, the base is 15 centimeters, so 15 square plus the perpendicular is 8, so 8 square. X square equals 15 square 225 plus 64. X square equals 289. Now we're going to take the square root to find the value of x, because this value is of x squared. To find the value of x, we'll take the square roots on both sides. So we get the value of x as 17 centimeters. Or you can write it as AC. AC equals 17 centimeters. Well, that was it, and this is the end of the video. I hope you understood the concept of Pythagoras theorem and probably will be able to solve all the questions of the exercise by your own. So I'll take your leave now. Bye.